guys, let's just unpack on uthando nesithembu. Yeah, it's a bit much. But I just wanted to talk about uMusa and his narcissist behaviors. How am I gonna put it? But I'm a narcissist. Most of them they come across as evil. You know that, right? But uMusa is not. I think uMusa unale handle yokuthi I'm a Zulu man and other Zulu men who are watching me bazongithatha ngokuthi weak, and having so many wives, you cannot be weak, cannot be seen as weak. So unawo lama tendencies amancane ukuba narcissist, but it's not really that bad. I just wanted to speak about that first. Lana ku episode 9 or season 9. And then bese kuzoba lento ke esithembu uyayazi ke futhi it's actually very scary ke ukuthi maybe ifamily are we fine, are we clear in terms of ukuthi khona ogulayo, in terms of health, how it is, indaba zamalalana, and let's just put it out there. Uyasazi uyayazi ngithi ingculaza and all of that. I want to say it in Zulu, actually. I prefer to say it in Zulu, in fact, because sometimes, like I've always told you guys, sometimes you talk about umazi angithi uzucama, although izobe iyabhalela ngesingisi, but I'm just saying ukuthi you know what, ufuna ukwazi ukuthi are we in the clear now, because sometimes you'll find ukuthi there's 5 of us, some wives. I'm just making an example, not them as such, the temple lesikhuluma ngaso manje, but nje in general ukuthi it's important that we test, senze ama-test health wise, si-check ukuthi no ngculaza, sinani, no STI, nazo zonke lezo zinto ezikanjalo. We're just checking ourselves out and all of that, but so lesizokwazi ukuthi mangukuthi iyafika lento la ekhaya ayifikanga ngathi laba umama abawu5, usho ukuthi ubaba chances are wahamba waya ngaphandle wayoyithola khona, uyabona. Bese kuba ilento futhi kaMakhwela no sisters lo uMakhumalo, because I've always said there's some beef going on there, and then naye kodwa uMakhumalo mesethi uMakhwela kucheck indaba yezingane no DNA, ayikazi nayo leyo ne. It doesn't look good. And kufana nalento ukuthi athi uMusa Mseleku ena uMakhumalo usezithwele, uThobile Khumalo like ngathini uphakeme manje now that she's making money. Remember, even 2 episodes before this one, I even said it's like I made you. We understand? So you can't be this person now towards me. I'm just like, umuntu onjani towards you ngoba she hasn't really changed. You are the one that keeps on pushing her. And nalento leyo ukuthi futhi she can't have children, she's not sympathetic, or she doesn't show empathy towards her. So I'm just like, uMusa guys, not just a lot. Oh my word. Kodwa nje indaba kaMseleku noMakhumalo guys, I wonder ukuthi izophelelaphi, and how uMseleku actually has been umbiza Mthombeni, phela uMakhumalo has been speaking to Thobile Khumalo. It's just not working. At times I'm just like, you know what, sengathi bangathola mhlambe babe amicable, and forgive each other and start all over. Ngokuba nalento ukuthi okay, let's just start on a clean slate. Fine, sigabene abesingazwani besingathandani, I wasn't supporting you and all of that, because uMakhumalo, she's still on the tip yokuthi when I was sick, you went to social media wenza sengathi siyazwana. When you mean out, you've never really checked on me, you've never called me, you've never done anything. So my diaries, you come now and say, and they're asking you a question, can you just answer ukuthi you were not there for me when I needed you? Because it's the same as the birthday. Angithi birthday sikhulumile ngayo week ago ukuthi it's the same as the birthday. She uMthombeni did not call her, did not come to the party nyana that she had done. It wasn't even a party nyana, it was a beautiful party, that party, some event type of thing. Umseleku, the next thing kodwa uyakwazi ukusho happy birthday kwabanye abantu, abakufazi babanye abantu, like umfazi womntanakhe. I'm just like, bruh, what are you doing? Like ukubona leyo nto uMacele had like a lunch type of thing yena uLwandle ikhuluma nje lento ukuthi maybe he might go back to Mzumbe. So angithi uMithisile futhi naye ngapha, so he impregnated somebody ngapha noSneh naye uzoba nengane. So Macele is like, okay, Mzumbe kuzovela kube crash straight up. And this thing Mseleku yokuthi athi ena i-DNA ifuna uMakhumalo, uyabona ukuthi abaxabana xixexixexexo baba. And I think 2 episodes before this episode I did mention ukuthi unophixiphixi nje going on with them. He's been though. Like ukubona i-DNA manje ifuna uMakhumalo eyi-1 elifini. And then that the whole thing yokuthi uMakhwela wayekisa umsebenzi because wayejola. Yeah. And then now she's stuck at home. You know those type of people, those type of husbands that say, angifuni ukuthi ubone umuntu. Cela uhlale la ekhaya ugqoke amaphinifu endlini ugade ingane. Don't want you going to work, but don't want you to be seen. Bakhona abantu abanjalo. And I think uMusa manje he's actually on the tip with the uMakhwela. Uyayibona ukuthi it's crazy. Right? And I think uMakhumalo is actually being misunderstood. Kuyenzeka. He hasn't taken anything too far uMakhumalo kalento kaSamge. There's something there going on. But now isibukeka sengathi nako social media nakuthina we're looking at her like the side eye like sisi. Just leave Makhwela alone. Samge abantu omfunani. Yikhumbula mina ngize ngasabana beef, but I'm just like they not even they like years apart, those people. They couldn't have been friends or mhlawumbe I even said bayazana lana something eMzumbe. There's no ways guys bangabakanje towards each other, but I guess it's more Makhumalo ngoba Samge really that doesn't come across as someone ungathi unenkinga noMakhumalo as such. Yabo nje uSamge I did say it ukuthi she's on the tip yokuthi lalela mhethu stay ngihleli kamnandi ngicela ningeke funa ama-DNA anafoni enzani whatever works for you. Ngapha uyena futhi ubhizi nokuthi akwenziwe ama-test uMakhumalo. I think kuba misunderstand. I think bonke wife maybe figure vele we have to check those things anyways. Health wise, I mean, we need to know for sure ukuthi let's lo muntu onjani njengoba silethele lo muntu la phetheni kubo leyo nto. And uMakhumalo mayithi kumsele hayi kufanele si-check phela ama-test kwenziwe uMakhwela enza ama-test sizokwazi ukuthi uclean naye izofika la efemelini yethu kanti usilethele ukugula umuntu athi umsele kukanjani uqalwa yi-virgin. Guys, I don't know about the virgin story. I'm just like ngeke, I don't think so somehow. Ngeke intombi nto, I don't know about intombi nto at this point guys, but who am I to judge? And you know ukuthi uMakhumalo ubukeka sengathi malicious. That is why ngithi mina ene she's misunderstood around into zikaMakhwela, but uyazi ukuthi who she's become now into zikaMusa ukuphushe that whole scenario that you see now, or should say mhlambe a version of what's going on now. She's just like hey angifuni nokwazi vele kwafika uMakhwela wathi angikwazi ukuzala, uMakhwela uzokuzalela. And uMakhwela uhlaliswe ekhaya bamtshela ukuthi uzozala sisi wawusifike la uzozala, please bear children for me, I don't have time ngoba uMakhumalo akayitholi ingane. Uyabona ukuthi uMakhumalo nje ziswelani guys. Ayabona nje yazini guys lokho uMakhumalo is not nice, like ibekutense how yena noMusa nje started now going off on each other. It was just like, and isikizama uzwe uMakhumalo ekhala ethi Musa please stop talking to me like that. And ngizibuza ukuthi off camera umenza njani, but nje ikhona inhlomo umezo going on with uMakhumalo ehlukunyezwa uMusa. I see it behind closed doors. And uzwe uyasho uMakhumalo ukuthi ngize ngiblock ngako lokho. No, actually uyena uMusa osisholo wathi ngize uzungiblock wathi yevele ngoba you say hurtful things. Imagine.